guys, here at the thrift store and looking for treasures. This is my stuff right here, guys. Check it out. $1.99 a pair. So I got 2 pairs. This one right here. Then all this other stuff is remote controls for 49 cents. Guys, let's go see what else we find, guys. Today here at the thrift store is Wacky Wednesdays. Okay. Let's see what kind of treasures we find today. Got the shoe section right here. Got some nice shoes. Some stuff back here. Okay. Got some hats here. So this is my stuff. $1.99 for each pair, and I have 2 pairs of skates, and the other stuff is remote controls. Okay, let's see what we find over here, guys. Got some nice furniture.
Cheer you up, to let you know everything is gonna be okay.
Just got some school supplies right here. Just got some electronics right here. Okay. Wacky Wednesdays. That one back there. Some shirts right here. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here today, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Take care guys. Later.